pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Morganville local and long-distance movers. Near me. When you plan to move to a different city, it is always a task to ensure that all your material from home and office is also transported safely to the new place. However, if you are looking for a long-distance move, you can rely on us for moving your stuff with complete safety. Our team will pack your essentials from the designated place in Morganville and even help you settle your new house by unpacking the material. At 3 Men in a Truck, the professionals are trained to work hard and smart. They will adjust and fit your material in the truck so that no breakage or damage happens to any objects. The boxes are well taped and stickers are put on fragile items. If you want your items and belongings to be fit in more than 2 trucks, you can mention the requirement, and we shall work according to that only. One of the most sought-after decisions while moving to a new place is whether to hire a professional mover company or not. But if you choose to understand the benefits of hiring a professional company for handling your move, you'd love it. We have built a professional team at 3 Men and a Truck to handle all the little details in your moving journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Morganville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.